get ready with me to go hang out with one of my friends. So starting off, I'm going to use this vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. It's just a good moisturizer. I have very, very dry skin. I'm super excited because she and I are going to have kind of like a little picnic together. And it's a beautiful day today, so we'll probably also go to the park. For the picnic, she's got a decent sized backyard, so I think that's where we were going to have it. And then we were talking about then going maybe out to the park and walk around a little bit because it is a really pretty day. I just used the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as a primer because it's not a good concealer. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to take this ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, and I think I'm going to start off with the first shade being Bonus Points. Just kind of like a muted matte yellow. And taking a fluffy brush and just going into the crease with that. After that, I'm taking a muted peach shade and going right underneath that. It's called Treasure. Then there's a glittery shade called Art Deco. It's orange. Different brush. You can tap that off because that picked up a lot. And then I'm going right into the crease with that. Taking an angled fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this shade called Paradise. And I'm going to take that into the outer corner. So this is what we got going on so far. For my lid, I'm actually going to go back into that Art Deco shade. The glitter doesn't really stick, but it looks like this. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. It's kind of sticking there. So in the yellow column, there's this glittery shade called Lucky Charm. And I'm going to top that on top of the orange. So I got this package from Influenster with e.l.f. It's been beat up, as you can see. It was not handled very well in the mail. And I got an eyebrow pencil and their Inkwell. It says it's a waterproof eyeliner, so we're going to try that out. I haven't tried much from e.l.f., so I'm excited to see how these work. Looks like this, and it's in the shade Film Noir. Okay, it seems like it's a felt tip. It looked like it was going to be a brush tip. Of course, some of the glitter is going to come off. Okay, it's easy to apply. And easy to get a wing. Next, I'm going to use the waterproof eyebrow pencil. Okay. It's not too small, but let's see how this works. I like that. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with a nude liner. This one is from Rimmel. It's a waterproof eyeliner in the shade In the Nude. For lash line, I'm going to go into this shade called Love and Warhol, which is like a pretty coral sparkly color. foundation, I'm going to go into the Revlon Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation. Just using a damp beauty blender. I've just put some Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and on top of my nose because foundation really does not like setting on my nose. To set my concealer and some of my foundation, just going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent. For blush, I've got this new Buxom Plump Shot blush. It's a cream blush. It says it's advanced and plumping. And this is in the shade Coral Cheer. Looks like this. It's really pretty. My Still Damp Beauty Blender. Go in. I'm not sure how pigmented this is. It doesn't seem to be too pigmented, so it should be easier to work with. Oh yeah, do you see that? I'm gonna take care of that circle in a second. For mascara, I'm going into the Lancome Idole mascara. For lipstick, I'm going into this Ulta Beauty lipstick. It just says the color is 300, and it's a really pretty nude. My lips are a little chapped, but it's okay. And this is the final look. Now I gotta go.